Some female students have been uh, engaging in prostitution so that they can be able to survive in school. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money as a female student in Nigeria so that you don't have to sell your body before you can be able to survive. Okay. Hi everyone, this is Oladiti Dayo and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button, and if you have not uh, click on the notification icon so that you can be able to know when I post new videos. Okay, so let's get into the details of how you can make money as a female student in Nigeria. Okay, I don't really know that it is possible for you to make your money with your social media profile, free social media profile, until I got to know about a problem that is called viral trend. Okay, so as a female student, you don't need to use your maybe your body, your beauty to make money again. All you need is your smartphone and your free social media accounts. Okay, so all you have to do is you register on the platform. The platform is called Viral Trend, and it is a platform that has been on for more than uh, 4 years now. Okay, the platform was launched in 2018, and up to now it is paying. It is legit paying platform. Okay, so what Viral is all about is they discover that most businesses have discovered that their customers are on Facebook, Instagram, and they are on Twitter, and so on. And the best way they can reach them is through their friends and family. Okay, and there is a kind of social proof when somebody you know posts something on their timeline, you tend to believe it. Okay, so that's what they are playing on. So you and they now go to viral trend. That viral trend should help them look for their customers on social media. And this task is a very big task. It's not what only viral trend can do. That's why viral trend need me and you, everyone, to use their social media profile to promote small businesses. So what Viral Trend is doing is they are acting like a middleman between the small business owners that want their businesses to go viral on social media, and the end users and the promoters. So the promoters are people who have a social media account and they want to do social media tasks to earn money. Okay, so once the businesses pay to Viral Trend will now make the task available on their website, and you as a promoter can now log in and perform the task. After you perform the task, you will now get paid. Okay, so all those things that you have been doing on your social media accounts and you have not been getting paid, with this viral trend, you will now be paid. Like posting on your Facebook timeline, like you like a post, you comment on Twitter, you tweet, you retweet, you comment, you like, all those things. On Instagram, you comment, you like, okay, you follow, subscribe, you watch YouTube channel, and also there are tasks for TikTok also. So if you have time, and you have little investment. I think there are two packages on Viatrend. They have the basic package and they have the premium package. The basic is 500 naira for the registration. It is a little to no investment program. The with just 500 naira, everybody have 500 naira, so there is no risk involved. And if you have 1,500, you can go for the premium. I always advise people to go for the premium membership because with the premium membership, you will earn more and you earn faster. Okay, so I currently make about 50K every 45 days through the platform. Is a tested, is a trusted, and it is a paying platform. Okay, so once you register, you log in every day to see the task that are available. You perform the task. There will be instruction on how to perform those tasks on the website, so you can just quickly follow the instruction and perform the task. Okay, so uh, apart from task, one thing that I love about the platform is uh, you can 10x your income through the affiliate system. So by sharing the opportunity with other people, you'll be able to earn affiliate commission. Okay, and they have WhatsApp groups. They have WhatsApp groups where you will be able to know what is happening in the company in the country. You'll be able to know the breaking news. They send breaking news. They send job opportunities, especially if you are a copper or you are a job seeker. Okay, it is not only for students, but the students will easily connect with this. You know, they are always with their phones and they are the ones that are always on social media, commenting, liking, posting, all those things. So it's good for everyone and anyone can earn through the platform. Okay, so if you are a job seeker, this platform is also good for you because you will be able to get job opportunities, vacancies. They are always posting on their WhatsApp group. Okay, so I'll put a link in the description to this video so that you can click on the link and create your Viatrend account. Okay, so don't sleep on this because it is paying. Okay, it is paying. For the past 4 years, they have been paying me. I don't know. This is one of the uh, program that has really lasted for a long time in Nigeria. So many of the other programs that are scams, they don't even stay for maybe 1 to 2 years, but these are stayed for 4 years. Maybe because of the uh, admin, the kind of admin. I think the guy is a prince from Edo State or something like that, but he's not in Nigeria. So, and he has been able to hold the platform and to run the platform successfully for over 4 years now. And he is also a social media influencer. You can easily uh, connect with him on through Instagram. He's always on Instagram. I think his Instagram handle is Legacy Weight or something like that. So you can search him and connect with him. He's not hidden. He's not hiding behind the computer or like other scammers that you will not know the admin of the program. He's always on Instagram posting and doing his other businesses. Okay, so this is a very good program, and if you are a female student, it will greatly benefit you instead of putting yourself at risk of maybe selling your body. You might contact venereal diseases. You might carry unwanted pregnancies. You might even fall into hands of ritualists or Yahoo boys stuff like that. But if you register with just small or little capital on viral trend, you might be able to earn something reasonable for yourself. 50K every 45 days is not a small amount for a student, okay? Female student. It will go a long way in helping you in school, okay? So I will see you in my next video. Say bye bye. Lord.